Ever look in the mirror and wonder if your clothes are working against you? I'll show you 10 tops instantly aging men over 40, why they don't work anymore, and smart upgrades that restore confidence. Let's address the elephant in the room first. That vintage band t-shirt from 1995 isn't doing you any favors in 2025. Neither is the novelty tee with the clever saying or the logo-heavy shirt that screams brand loyalty. Why do graphic tees become problematic after 40? When someone meets you, their eyes should be drawn to your face, your posture, your presence, not trying to read the text across your chest. Think about your last casual Friday meeting. While younger colleagues can pull off graphic tees because their youth provides the context, you need clothing that reinforces your expertise, not distracts from it. The sophisticated alternative? A well-fitted solid crew neck or Henley in premium cotton. These pieces give you the comfort you're seeking from that old graphic tee while projecting the quiet confidence that comes with knowing exactly who you are. Here's how to wear it. For weekends, try a charcoal Henley with dark wash jeans and clean white sneakers, relaxed but sharp. For something more elevated, swap in a navy crew neck under a blazer with chinos. Same comfort, completely different impression. Quick check. What's the last graphic tee you'd actually keep? Band, sports, or none? Now, if graphic tees skew too casual, polos often fall into the opposite trap. They're everywhere but rarely worn well. The polo shirt occupies a strange middle ground in many wardrobes. It's not quite casual, not quite formal, and unfortunately, it's often not quite right either. The problem isn't the polo itself, it's how men over 40 are wearing them. Whether it's boxy cuts that look borrowed, oversized logos that turn you into a billboard, or busy patterns that distract rather than flatter, most polos miss the mark after 40. A polo should skim your body without clinging or billowing. The sleeve should hit mid-bicep, not halfway to your elbow. The length should allow for a clean tuck, or fall naturally at your hip bone when untucked. When you find the right polo, structured, well-proportioned, in a color that complements your skin tone, it turns into a versatile foundation piece that works everywhere from a weekend barbecue to a casual business lunch. Style it two ways. A navy polo with khaki chinos and brown loafers gives you an easy, smart casual look, while a crisp white polo tucked into dark jeans with a leather belt and suede desert boots feels refined but relaxed. Your take when you buy polos is the biggest issue fit or fabric? Comment fit or fabric below. If polos sit in the casual to smart zone, dress shirts are supposed to be the gold standard. But here's where many men slip up. The collar tells its own story. A collar that's too tight makes you look uncomfortable. Too loose and it seems like you're shrinking inside your shirt. The sweet spot allows for one finger's width of space while maintaining structure throughout the day. Sleeve length matters more than you might realize. Your shirt cuff should extend roughly half an inch beyond your jacket sleeve, creating a clean line that suggests attention to detail. And don't overlook fabric. Cheap fabrics across your wardrobe, whether shirts, sweaters, or polos, age badly. Natural fibers like cotton, wool, and linen look better, last longer, and feel more refined. Quality cotton with proper weight drapes better, feels better against your skin, and maintains its appearance throughout long days. That's why fabric and fit matter so much. A quality shirt in the right size instantly signals polish before you even say a word. Two settings to keep in mind. For business meetings, a light blue dress shirt with a navy suit and burgundy tie projects authority without being loud. For professional casual settings, a crisp white Oxford with charcoal trousers and brown leather shoes balances sharpness with approachability. Of course, not every day calls for a dress shirt. That's where sweaters come in. But the wrong ones can undo your look instantly. Sweaters present unique challenges for men over 40. Chunky knits that worked in college now add bulk and make you look like you're hiding, not leading. What matters most is how different sweater styles interact with your proportions. V-necks help elongate your torso for a streamlined look. Crew necks work better when fitted, showing your shape without clinging. Cardigan selection requires particular care. Avoid anything too long or too loose. These create a frumpy appearance that does nothing for your confidence. Instead, look for cardigans that hit at your natural waist and have enough structure to maintain their shape throughout the day. Vote in the comments, V-neck or crew, which flatters you more? A well-cut sweater in merino wool strikes the balance. It sharpens your frame, feels comfortable, and only improves with age. 2 effortless upgrades. A charcoal V-neck layered over a white dress shirt with dark wash jeans and Chelsea boots creates a streamlined, confident profile. For a more relaxed take, a camel cardigan over a navy Henley with olive chinos and brown brogues feels polished without trying too hard. Just like sweaters, casual shirts make up a big part of most wardrobes. The problem is, they're often chosen with the least thought. Button-downs especially suffer from sloppy fits, leaving you looking careless instead of sharp. The fix isn't avoiding them, it's giving them the same attention you'd give a dress shirt. Think of colors beyond the default white and light blue. A deep burgundy, a muted sage, or a soft gray can add maturity and intention to your look without feeling loud. A chambray shirt works beautifully for both errands and casual Fridays, or swap in a burgundy flannel with dark jeans and boots when autumn rolls around. These small shifts instantly raise a casual outfit from afterthought to effort. Pick one to upgrade first, chambray, flannel, or Oxford. And while casual shirts can look underwhelming, athletic wear has the opposite problem. It's everywhere, even where it doesn't belong. Athletic wear has evolved significantly, and the line between gym clothes and casual wear has blurred. However, this doesn't mean every piece of athletic-inspired clothing belongs in your regular rotation. Gym fabrics look out of place at dinner or meetings. The synthetic sheen, aggressive branding, and technical details that make sense in the gym can appear juvenile or inappropriate in other contexts. The key is selectivity. A well-designed merino wool performance shirt can work beautifully for active weekends while maintaining the sophistication appropriate for your age. The difference lies in choosing pieces that prioritize subtle performance benefits over flashy athletic aesthetics. Consider the message your clothing sends. When you wear obvious workout gear to non-workout activities, you're suggesting that comfort trumps appropriateness, a message that can undermine your authority in professional or social situations. Be honest, what's the one gym item that sneaks into your weekend outfits? Polished, athletic-inspired swaps. Try a merino wool quarter zip with dark chinos and minimalist sneakers for active weekends. For casual dining or golf, go with a technical polo in navy, paired with tailored shorts and leather sneakers. Beyond fabric and fit, patterns are another minefield. The wrong ones can make you look more chaotic than confident. The scale of patterns matters enormously. Large prints overwhelm your frame. Tiny patterns can feel fussy. The goal is balance. Conversely, patterns that are too small can appear fussy or dated. Successful pattern integration requires understanding proportion and context. A subtle window pane check or fine stripe can add visual interest without overwhelming your appearance. The real difference comes from choosing patterns that enhance rather than compete with your overall look. Color coordination within patterns becomes crucial. Avoid pieces where multiple bright colors fight for attention. Instead, look for patterns that use variations of complementary tones, creating depth without chaos. A better way to use patterns? Try a subtle navy window pane shirt with charcoal trousers and brown Oxfords for business casual. For weekends, a fine blue stripe Oxford with khaki chinos and white sneakers keeps things refined but relaxed. Pattern you wear most, stripe, check, or solid? What's your relationship with patterns? Do you avoid them entirely or struggle to choose the right scale? Even with the right patterns, fabric quality makes or breaks the look. Poor fabrics will always betray you. Fabric quality becomes increasingly important as you age, not just for comfort, but for appearance. Cheap materials don't just feel inferior, they look it. Whether it's synthetics that pill, cotton that sags, or fabrics that wrinkle too easily. Poor material always works against a polished image. Natural fibers generally age better and feel better against your skin. Cotton, wool, linen, and silk each have their place in a mature man's wardrobe, offering different benefits depending on the season and occasion. The weight of fabric matters too. Flimsy materials that show every line underneath or cling inappropriately can make even well-fitted clothes look cheap. Substantial fabrics with proper drape create clean lines and maintain their appearance throughout the day. Understanding fabric care becomes part of the investment. Quality materials often require more thoughtful maintenance, but they reward that care with longevity and continued good appearance. Smart fabric upgrades include a 100% cotton Oxford shirt for durability and breathability, a merino wool sweater for temperature regulation, and a linen shirt for summer sophistication that only gets better with age. If you upgraded just one fabric this season, would it be shirts, sweaters, or polos? And just as fabric matters, so does color. The wrong shades can drain your energy and add years in an instant. This isn't about avoiding color entirely. It's about choosing colors that enhance your current appearance rather than fighting against it. Your skin tone, hair color, and even eye color may have shifted over the decades. Colors that once made you look vibrant might now wash you out or appear harsh against your complexion. The solution isn't to retreat to black and white, but to discover which colors work with who you are today. Loud neon shades shout for attention over 40. Refined tones speak louder. Instead, consider rich, saturated tones that convey confidence without shouting. Deep blues, warm grays, forest greens, even rich burgundies. These shades project confidence without shouting. The foundation is testing colors in natural light and noticing how they make you feel. The right colors should make your skin look clearer, your eyes brighter, and your overall appearance more vibrant. For sharper palettes, think of a deep navy shirt with gray trousers for timeless elegance. A forest green sweater with khaki chinos brings earthy sophistication, while a burgundy polo under a navy blazer delivers rich contrast. Drop your go-to color for tops right now. Take a moment to consider, which colors consistently receive compliments when you wear them? Finally, none of this matters if the fit is off. Fit is the foundation of style. It's non-negotiable. Perhaps the most critical mistake men over 40 make with tops is ignoring fit entirely. A $500 shirt that doesn't fit properly will look worse than a $50 shirt that does. Fit isn't negotiable, it's the foundation upon which all other style choices rest. Understanding your current measurements is essential. Too many men wear the same sizes they did decades ago, even though their body has changed. Getting professionally measured annually ensures your clothes actually fit your current self, not your past self. The shoulders are the most important fit point for any top. If the shoulder seam doesn't sit at your natural shoulder point, no amount of tailoring can fix the fundamental problem. Everything else can be adjusted, but shoulder fit must be right from the start. Length matters too. Tops that hang too low can throw off your proportions and make you appear shorter, while ones cut too high give the impression you've outgrown them. Think of it this way. A dress shirt with shoulder seams that sit right on your natural shoulder instantly sharpens your frame. A sweater that skims the torso looks modern without clinging, and a casual shirt that allows movement while holding its shape makes you look confident, not careless. Remember, fit is the great equalizer. A $50 shirt that fits will always outshine a $500 shirt that doesn't. And shoulders? They're non-negotiable. If the seam doesn't hit right, nothing else matters. Share your height and jacket size. I'll drop fit tips in the replies. So there you have it, 10 tops that can hold men over 40 back and what to wear instead. But remember, style isn't about rules. It's about making choices that reflect who you are today. The tops you choose to eliminate from your wardrobe are just as important as the ones you choose to keep. Creating space for pieces that truly serve you requires letting go of those that don't, regardless of their sentimental value or original cost. Confidence comes from alignment. When your external appearance matches your internal sense of self, you project an authenticity that no amount of expensive clothing can fake. The goal isn't to look younger or to impress others. It's to dress in a way that honors the man you've become. Your style journey doesn't end with avoiding these mistakes. Experiment with colors that bring out your best, explore accessories that sharpen your look, and keep refining until your wardrobe feels like a true extension of who you are. Now I want to hear from you. Which of these tops are you cutting first from your wardrobe? Drop it in the comments. And if this video gave you some ideas, don't just hit like, give it a hype. It's YouTube's newest feature and it helps more men over 40 discover these style upgrades. Before you go, make sure you're subscribed so you never have to second-guess your style again. Your next upgrade is waiting. Tap the screen and make it yours.